tutorial, I will teach you how to solve weight problems on the exterior angles of quadrilaterals. This is another exam problem on quadrilateral. A WAEC position. What is the question? Question is, if the exterior angles of a quadrilateral are 2y degrees, comma, bracket, 3y minus 5 degrees, comma, the third one, 3y minus 15 degrees, and finally 5y minus 10 degrees. Find y. Full stop. Find y. So we start by writing our solution. I write my solution. Okay. And I'll start like this. As usual, I'll write out the angles given to me. I'll write them out like this. I'll write them out like this. Starting with the first one, 2y degrees. 2y degrees plus, I'll add all of them together now. If I add all of them together, I'll equal them to 360, because as I always say, exterior angles of any polygon must be equals to 360. So I'll write out now all these angles and equal them to 360. I continue, I go on to this one, 3y minus 5 degree. If I like, I still put it inside bracket. 3y minus 5 degrees plus, I'm trying to sum up this angle. This one, open bracket, 3y minus 15 close bracket degrees, okay, and finally the last one plus 5y minus 10 degrees, bracket, 5y minus 10 close bracket degrees, okay, is equals to what? Is equals to what? As I said earlier, it must be equals to 360. Equals to 360. That is the formula. Now what do I do next? As I still write out these numbers, these angles, opening the brackets. I'll start with this one. I say 2y degrees plus this one, 3y, no more brackets. I not put bracket again, plus 3y minus 5 plus 3y minus 15 plus 5y minus 10 is equals to stay this 360. Okay, I continue. Next, I'll connect like terms. What do I mean by that? I'll add all these numbers that has y together, then the one that doesn't have y, I also add them together separately, differently. So I'll start like this. I say 2y plus 3y give me 5y. 5y plus 3y give me 8y. 8y plus 5y gives me 13y. So I'll write 13y. 13y. Simple plus. I come to the number that doesn't have y. Start with 5. I say minus 5 minus 15 will give me minus 20. Minus 20 minus 10 will give me minus 30. Just like I'm still adding it to. It's just like I'm adding it to, because what I did is this. 5 plus 15 gives me 20 plus 10 gives me 30. But because it has minus, it will be minus, not plus now. Minus 30. Minus 30. Minus 30 is equals to 360. Okay, what do I do again? I will make this 13y to be on one side, this 13y to be on this side, and this one that doesn't have y to come on the other side. And how do I do it? I'll write it down. 13y is equals to 360. Carry this minus start, come to this side. Because it is minus here, it will come this side to become plus. It will become plus 30. It will become plus 30. Plus 30. Okay, which will still give me 13y. 13y is equals to 360 plus 30 give me 390. So it will be equals to 390, which finally gives me y is equals to what do I do now? Divide this 390 by 13, which is the coefficient of y, the number that is with y. So I'll say y is equals to 390, this 390 divided by 13, which is the coefficient of y. 390 divided by 13, and it finally give us what? It will give us equals to y is equals to 30 degrees. It will give us 30 degrees finally. 30 degrees, which means we have answered the question. It says find y is equals to 30 degrees finally. 30 degrees.